Next right hand move, get your right hand around the rope.
Okay.
Yep, awesome. There you go. You were right, by the way, when you told me to get that jug. So good. Awesome. Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, you're doing great. Yeah. Sick. Awesome. Yeah, you're doing great. Awesome.
Clipping?
Yep. Great. For third clip,
Yeah.
I think it twisted. Just make sure that you don't accidentally back. But
Okay.
you'll be good. You're good on these two. Just wanted to let you know while you're in a secure spot. Awesome, yeah.
I'm doing a shoulder bar here.
Oh yeah, I saw you were like jamming your entire torso. You're doing great. Nice. Cool.
Okay, see what you see.
Yep, yep.
Clipping?
Yep, yep.
All right.
Awesome.
What's the only dot? Fitness?
Almost, almost.
You guys can climb the. Actually, not really, but.
What? The other 10A?
Yeah. There's a bit of overlap here, so.
Yeah, at the very top there's a teeny bit, but they're different anchors. There's the anchor for the other 10As over there. So.
It's okay. We're on the other side.
Oh, are you guys doing the stuff that's kind of between?
No, yeah, between. Yeah,
Gotcha, gotcha.
that's okay. We're all tired now.
Okay. See if my pass can reach it.
Should be able to.
Yeah.
Cool. Sick.
All right. I'm on my pass now.
Yep, yep.
I see that, Emma. You make it look easy.
This one is not hard.
I don't know.
It's not hard.
I mean, you say it's not hard, but
She definitely made it easier for herself by actually doing the right line. I got lost and accidentally went right, and I was like, oh, there's chalk over here. Oh shit, there's no more chalk over here.
we just went straight.